This video is in memory of Papa Elkins. The Midwest, where maize is abundant, where potatoes are a common gift, where the grasses flow freely in the wind. The majesty of the Midwest is unattainable, unmatched. The rolling hills seem to go on for a heavenly eternity. Life here cannot be replicated. Life has a taste of beauty, of wonder. People who thrive in the Midwest have a passion for the crops, a passion for the sunshine, for the snow, a passion for the land. Whether it be snowing, flaming hot, the residents send their hearts out to the crops, those wonderful crops. The crops that have helped our ancestors through harsh winters. Blizzards are common in the wintertime, making the rolling hills become angelic with the sunshine, casting a dazzling glow upon the winter snow. Yes, life here is a wonder. Please stay and watch the grains dance in the wind, in the breeze like waves. I now present to you the best storytellers the Midwest has to offer.
This song is in memory of Barney Elkins.
My grandpa, the Midwest. Yep, 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 we're in the Midwest. Yep, 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 we're potato farmers, farm those potatoes. We're in the Midwest. Yep, 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 we're in the Midwest. Yep, yep, yep. Yogi Bear lives in Wisconsin. You should visit Jellystone Park. You should visit Mackinac Island.
Try and say that 10 times fast.
We're in the Midwest. Yep, 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 we're in the Midwest. Yep, yep, yep. Potato farmers, farm those potatoes in the Midwest. Yep, 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 we're in the Midwest. Yep, yep, yep. Germans, Swedes, Norwegians all came to the Midwest. We're in the Midwest. Yep, 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 we're in the Midwest. Yep, 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 we're potato farmers, farm those potatoes in the Midwest. Yep, 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 we're in the Midwest. Yep, yep, yep. Midwest.
West.
West.
We're the Midwest.
Sponsored by the Elkins Family Incorporation. Thank you.
Why are you in the tree?